guys, TinaGale here, and I am back with a unboxing video. So I don't have any products from Felicity Jane, but she was having a warehouse box sale, so I decided to pick one up. I love all the products that I see, and that would be my number one tip for you if you're looking at warehouse boxes. Look at the products on their site, in their shop, whatever, and see how many products that you really like that they carry. If you see a lot of product that you're not that wild about, I would not buy a warehouse box because you're probably going to get a lot of stuff that you're never going to use, and then you really didn't save any money. But I really couldn't find anything that I didn't love, so I decided it was a pretty safe bet. So the beautiful packaging, which of course I've seen on other haul videos, super cute. Nice little card. Thanks for the order. Oh, lots of packaging. So this is fun. You can use it in gifts and stuff this Christmas for sure. Okay, I already see a lot of stuff I really like. So I really don't think there's going to be anything that I'm going to be disappointed in or that I won't use, because I couldn't find anything in the store that I wasn't. Okay, so let's start. I see washi. So there's some gold scallop, black scallop, and a black check. Hopefully that will show up without the glare. So there's 3 rows of washi. There's some gold sequins. There's 2 different sizes in here, a small and a large. Some little black and white tassels. Those are fun. I love it has the polka dot back there. Another thing of sequins. So these are pink and a lime green and a white. I don't use a lot of sequins, but this is just a nice little sampling, so I think I'll definitely use those. Wood veneer and the hearts. I will always use wood veneer. That's fun. Some traveler's notebooks. So there's a green polka dot, a black plaid. So those are fun. I use traveler's notebooks, so we're doing good. Let's see, alphabet stickers. So these are white, uppercase, has numbers as well. Oh, these are fun. They're mini puffy alphas. So they're square, but they're puffy. I don't know if they show up. And it's got upper and lower case, and there's a ton of those. Love that. And these are puffy stickers. Okay, I did the white. Okay, oh, and there's a set of white puffy alphabets. That's fun. Okay, and some turquoise puffy alphas. And these are black with white tiny polka dots, and it's a chipboard. Numbers as well. Okay, I am loving it, loving it. Paper bows. These are super cute. I love bows, but a lot of times they're so thick. These aren't. They're thin enough that they're not going to add a lot of bulk to your pages. These are so cute, and I love the colors. Oh, that matches that. Is that the same? Oh yeah, it's the same collection, Megane. Okay, so this is Zoe chipboard numbers, so 0 through 9. Those are super cute, and that's going to match that as well. Oh, fun. Photo corners. And I was just the other day wishing I had some of different colors. So there's green and blue, a pink, a corally pink. Whoa, that's fun. Okay, so these are called charms, but they're like the little rubber embellishments that you see. That's different. So that would be something, I would not have bought this, but I can use it. I'll use the umbrella and stuff, but I probably wouldn't have just went out and bought it. So that's the only thing. I'll put that over here. That's the only thing I wouldn't have just picked up and put in my basket. So I see another alphabet. Oh, a couple of alphas. There's a white puffy alphabet. The silver glitter, and puffy titles. Oh, I love those. So yeah, I am really pleased. This was I definitely got $50 worth of stuff. Let me go through and get all the flat stuff out first. Okay, so this is washi. So you can see there's 2 sheets. They're identical in the package. Love that floral. And then another one. Oh, this one's got 2 different patterns in it. Love the roses. So that's fun. Some word stickers. I love using word stickers, so those are fun. They almost, I don't know if they are clear. No, maybe they are on white. Kind of looked like it was clear for a minute. Okay, stamp sets, which there's 2, so I'm okay with that. I'm not a big stamper, so, but that's got some really cute phrases, and I love the fonts on all of that. Oh, and I love this one. So I will definitely use those, even though I'm not a stamper, but the words and like borders like this, I definitely will use quite a bit of. Oh, and there's a tag. That's like the tag top. Oh, okay. So these are ones, normally I wouldn't buy stamps, so I'd stick it over here, but I love these. So I'm, with a sale price, I probably would have put those in my cart. So doing good. Okay, so let me see. This is Lola, the die cut shapes. I love her die cuts because they always include the little girl graphic. Let's see if I can get that. I love, there's some scallops, the cassette tape, more of those beautiful roses, a typewriter, books. And this one is from Jamie, Create. Oh, I love this one too. I'm sorry about the glare. I'm trying to get it where, okay. And then it looks like some Project Life cards. Oh, here's some tags. Oh, these are the Christmas tags from the Holly collection. So it looks like there's 6 different ones. That's cute. These are Vellum Pockets. So they, it looks like they have the adhesive on them already, so you probably just peel it off and stick it down. Those are super cute. Okay, let's look at the Project Life cards. Now see, I don't know that I would have put Project Life cards in. I like them, but I have a full container and I don't really need any more. Boy, that's jam-packed. All of the, let me look at the back. Okay, so all of the back, I'm not going to flip through, it's either a graph, a polka dot, yeah, graph or polka dot, so we're not going to look at the back here and now. So I'll have to look, I don't know, these, I would think these are probably from different collections because they have different color schemes. These are really nice. It's a nice heavy weight. I love the patterns, and I love how there's more space to do journaling or dates. Oh, a wood grain, that's fun. Love that one. Okay, so on a sale, like it was a Black Friday sale or something like that, I probably would have put these in if I could have seen all of them. Those are really pretty. And since they're going to coordinate so well with the collections, then it definitely gives me more options, gives me more patterned paper, gives me embellishments. Whoops. Oh, that's cute. Punch that out. You could make a little pocket out of that. That's really cute. Hearts. That's a pretty card. I love all the flowers that she does in her collection. Oh, that's gorgeous. Oh, I need a big full-size piece of paper of that, which I see papered. Okay, so that's a lot of journaling cards. And these are library cards. Oh my gosh, these are adorable. Oh my gosh, so let's see. 6 different ones, solid colors, and then that with the roses. Oh, I love that. Okay, paper. Let's see what kind of paper we got. Okay, so this is going to be the end of it. So yeah, for $50, well, $60 with the shipping. And this is a big chunk of paper. That's at least ½ an inch of paper. Okay, so from the Megane collection, let's see if I can get this all on here. Polka dots. And it's a nice heavy weight. I wondered what her paper would be like, but it is a nice cardstock. paper's a little different. Flabby squares. I love the colors. Oh, I love that paper. I saw that on a layout and I didn't know where it came from. Oh, how exciting. Now I have it. Okay. So she does have some things in the shop on sale price. I don't know if she's going to have a Black Friday sale or not, but I would definitely go and buy more on the sale. And if I'd known this was going to be that good, I might have actually bought 2 of these boxes, even though some of it may be duplicates. These are solids, but it's fun. It's got a scalloped on the bottom. So it's just a light color and then a bright color on the back. Oh my gosh, that's a lot of paper, guys. Sorry, I'm sure that noise is annoying. It's pretty aqua, bright pink. I'm really glad she does brights and then the lighter colors on the other side because I'm not a very bright colored person like this. I would have a hard time using that, but I love this red. Okay, so that's it, guys. I would bet you there's at least 30 sheets of paper there. So that's a look at the box, and really that was the only thing that I would not have bought. Even if it was on sale, I probably wouldn't have purchased it, but that was it. Everything else I love and I would definitely have put in my cart. So I hope you enjoyed that. You might want to check her site out on her other sale items. Like I said, the warehouse box is sold out, but maybe she'll do some more for Black Friday. That would be fun. Okay, so that's my haul video for Felicity Jane's warehouse box. I hope you enjoyed that, and I'll be back soon with more items to share. So have a great day. Happy scrapping. Bye-bye.